Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to activate Siri or Hey Siri on your iPhone 15 series. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Apple Intelligence and Siri or Siri depending on your iOS version. Next, tap Talk and type to Siri. If Siri is turned off, you'll see different activation options. Choose Siri or Hey Siri if you want to activate Siri by saying either phrase. Follow the on-screen setup by tapping Continue and reading the example phrases when prompted. Siri will use these voice samples to recognize your voice more accurately. Once you've completed the voice setup, tap Done. So that's basically how you can activate Siri or Hey Siri on your iPhone 15 series. That's it for this video. Thanks.